Hey, nice to meet you. My name's Kyle. I'm making you this quick video because I was searching for plumbing in Sioux Falls, and I noticed that your business isn't showing up in the top 3 in the maps. So in this video, I want to show you how you can get into this position. This position is key because it produces the most phone calls, and especially when searching for some of the key terms like plumbing. Let's take, for example, the top listing here. Frisbee's, Sioux Falls, plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and so on. One of the main reasons they're at the top is because they have a #1 website. And it's not #1 simply because it's on the first page. It's one of the strongest websites in Google's eyes. For instance, this other website here, Howie Incorporated, also is on the first page, but it does not have a map listing. So the people must have done the map listing correctly, and they had a strong website in Google's eyes. So in order to get you into this position, we have to be better than these guys. So let's look at what specifically causes Frisbee to be ranked so high in the eyes of Google. Now, this is a tool called Majestic, and it lets me look at the backside of people's sites as well as its connections to other sites. We'll notice 2 key factors here: trust flow, which is 22, and backlinks, external backlinks, which is 606. Now, remember the website of Howie Incorporated, the one that's right down here? Their website's right over here. We'll want to notice 2 things here. They have trust flow, which is at 33, and external backlinks at 322. These people, Frisbee has 600 backlinks, nearly twice the number of backlinks that How has. So numbers does have something to do with it here. Each of these backlinks comes out to be kind of like a democratic vote. That the more backlinks you have on your site, connecting to your site, it's like a vote in Google's eyes. So in some ways, Frisbee has 600 votes, while How has only 322. So obviously Google's going to push Frisbee above How. And because Google's not really looking at the front of the sites, like here's Frisbee's site, and here's, well, it was. There it is. Here's Howie's site. I mean, the fronts of the sites are very comparable. They've got a blog versus they don't. But both of them are highly updated. They're mobile friendly. They each have a lot of content on the front. So the main thing that Google's looking at when it compares those sites is the backside. 600 versus 322. Now, interestingly, though, it's not only the number of backlinks, but the quality of backlinks that comes on there. So notice how they have half the number of backlinks, but they being How has half the number of backlinks, but they have a lot more. They have a significant amount more trust flow. 22 here for Frisbee versus 33 for How. Now, just to illustrate how powerful backlinks can be and how differently and how in strength they can range. So let's go to a site in Midwestern. Let's look at plumbing, Midwestern mechanical. This is their home page, but that's not even what's amazing. So this is their Sioux Falls plumbing page. Okay, let's take this and go over to Majestic. I already got plugged in over here. They have one backlink and they already have 32 trust flow. That makes a huge difference. So we want to make sure that the quality of the backlinks is there as well as the numbers. But there's a lot more that goes into this, but that's but I don't really have time to go into the deeper levels. But as you can see, it can be explained rather clearly and concisely in about 5 minutes, which gives you a clear roadmap of what it actually takes to get to the top of the map listings. So that's really how Google measures the power of a site. And the reason why I'm making you this video is because right now I'm looking for one air conditioning or HVAC company to work with. I'm capable of beating these companies, so right now I'm looking to offer my knowledge and expertise to one air conditioning or HVAC company in Sioux Falls. So if you'd like to find out how we can help your company's website into the map listing and get a lot more calls through organic, fill in the form below with your company's information and select HVAC at the bottom just before you hit send. Thanks for watching.